That's right. Here at Mowers and Blowers, we push them into the garage and they come out driving.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. I just got back from running an errand, came home, sit down and watch some TV. As soon as I was about to sit down, doorbell goes ding dong. Get back up again. It's my neighbor Steve. He's always working on his lawn because his wife always gives him a hard time about it not looking as good as mine. And I'm like, mine doesn't look that good. It looks good now, but never used to. Anyway, he comes over and he says, "Hey Henry, can you help me with this?" I'm like, "Sure, what are neighbors for? Not to mention it's just a recoil starter. You guys know, it's an easy job." And then I come out here and I'm like, "Oh, it's a Honda engine. How hard could it be?" I haven't done it in such a long time. Anyway, we have the handle. We just need a new cord, right? And so it gives me an opportunity to try out my new cord that I got from my friends over at HIPA parts. So, you know, this should be straightforward. It should be 10mm bolts, or smaller actually, maybe 5/16, but it's Japanese, so it should be millimeter. So I just take off the recoil starter, kind of like a Kohler XT675 recoil starter. Take it off, replace the rope, and we're good to go. I shouldn't have to show you guys in slow motion how to do it. I should be able to just time lapse it. It should be really quick, right? Watch, 4 hours later. You're fortunate enough to have a small engine guy next to you. So as you guys saw from time lapse, I was doing this and then I realized that the new cord from HIPA was much thicker than the original one. And because it's much thicker, you're not going to get that many rotations around the reel because it's fatter, it takes up too much space. Not to mention the fact that it wouldn't even fit through the hole for this thing. So I found another old one. It's not frayed or anything, it's just used. Maybe a little shorter than the original one, but we'll see how it goes. I put it back on and we'll see if it works. My neighbor Brian is coming by to finally pick up the snowblower that I did a tune-up on. It's been sitting in my garage for a couple of weeks. He hasn't had time to come pick it up yet. So I tuned it up. Let's see if it starts up. This way. Hey guys, so my neighbor came and picked up the snowblower. Gave me $100 for you know, tuning up his thing. And then while I was watching the Oklahoma game, of course they got beat by West Virginia. Can you believe that? Anyway, I'm so depressed now. Quinn the mailman sent me a text and he says, "Hey, there's some electric lawn equipment near me." So it's like 3-4 blocks away. I know I shouldn't be wasting my time going to get electric lawn equipment, but honestly, I did pick up that one corded one, changed the rectifier on it, and sold it for $100. I mean, I gotta go at least see what it looks like, you know what I mean? I probably wouldn't even pick it up, but if it looks really good, maybe I will pick it up. Who knows? I don't have anything else to do anyway. So here's the street that he said it was on, and I just see a lot of leaf bags. Those leaf guys didn't pick up our leaves for like 2 weeks or so. Is this something? That's nothing. Ooh, that's Quinn's. It's Quinn's mail truck right there. I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing at all. Oh, there you go. I saw it. Let's take a quick gander at it. Oklahoma lost to West Virginia. Can you believe that?
Yep, because Oklahoma
sucks. Yeah, that is a bunch of electric stuff. I'm not really interested in it. You got a edger, cheap weed whacker, little blower, and this Black & Decker thing. Should I pick this up, or is it just a waste of time? Asling! What do we got? It's trash. I don't think I want it. Got a little bit of a package here. He sent me 2 of these things. Manufactured in China. Wants to get their name out. Kind of a cool box. I could use it for some, things and stuff. It's a tactical flashlight. Comes with a charger for one of those big batteries. And it also gives you an option for putting some AAAs in there. So 2 different types of power sources. I like this stuff from my gun channel anyway. This is a flashlight, and it's kind of cool because it's easily adjustable on the beam, see? Then you tap the button, and it has intensity. And then it also flashes. And also a warning. So, pretty cool. XML T6 is what it's called. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. It's pretty cool. We had this big storm last night from the remnants of Hurricane Nicole. So we had a lot of rain, a lot of winds, and this huge branch from my tree fell right in between the 2 cars. Pretty lucky. Incidentally, when I was just talking about a few episodes ago about living life to the fullest because people around you just dying, especially when you get to around my age. Well, I'm playing fantasy football with a team of old dads that are the fathers of my son's baseball varsity high school baseball team teammates. And so all the fathers are playing fantasy football. So one of the fathers just died. I didn't know him, but kids knew each other. You just never know, fellas. So anyway, pretty decent sized stick. One of those. As you can see, all the leaves have fallen from that tree. The single tree that I have in front of my house. Good news is, because of the big wind, it blew all the leaves away from my lawn. I don't have to do the leaves today. But the Japanese maple trees, they're always the last to fall. That's right, watchdog. See that? Vicious dog. Golden doodle watchdog. This is a perfect opportunity for me to try my NATIDDY handheld mini chainsaw. I've used this actually quite a bit at my mom's house, and well, it's a perfect opportunity to use it for this. See how fast that is. See, that's pretty thick. Dunsky. Okay guys, you remember this? This is the battery that I took out of that Husqvarna that I picked off the street. It was completely dead. This top done battery tester wouldn't even work because it was so dead. It didn't even have 0.01 volt in there, you know. So I used my top done Tornado battery charger over here. This is a smart intelligent kind that actually fixes batteries. I also put a sulfator on here. It's been charging for 3 days. So here we go. Let's test it out. 300 CCA? No, this is 425. So you just select 425 on this tester. 425 CCA, right? U1R2. You press OK, and then it tests. I'm making that noise. This thing doesn't make any noise. Oh, look at that. Okay, so look, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says replace. It's charged at 100%, but it's only 33% healthy. So it's not a healthy battery, meaning that it probably wouldn't keep its charge, even though it's charged at 100%. But what I should have done was I should have tested this like on the, you know, when it had like a little bit of juice in there, you can kind of see what the health was. Because the sulfator definitely fixes that. I'm going to keep this running for another 2 or 3 days and see if we get a better health reading after that time. Okie dokie. Let's see if it works. Should work. Let's pull. There you go. Fix the pull rope in 5 minutes. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.